Hi, Daddy. I just thought of gifting you some of your old memories on your retirement day. I hope it would be of a great surprise to you to see the upcoming, compiled reels. Of course, I would love to thank all those who have put their time and effort to make this video happen. Okay, let's go into the video.
Dear MGP sir, a very good morning to you. Today, if I am donning this uniform of Indigo pilot after having served in the Indian Air Force for almost 21 years as a pilot, it's all because of the great selfless contribution by the teachers like you, the dedicated teachers like you from Amravati Nagar sir. And it is my great privilege to say a few words on the occasion of your retirement. The first time I met you was when you just joined the school and you were detailed as a tutor of the Vallur house. Mrs. Sheila Cherian was the housemaster and you were the tutor and you were a bachelor. You were staying in one of the ground floor rooms. And first I met you, I was astonished to see your hairstyle. And later on, when I met great personalities like Dr. Abdul Kalam, now I realize that yes, some unique people have unique hairstyle. Great, sir, keep it up. You are the one so affectionate to the children. And in the mornings, I was staying in a room very close to you. So I used to see you coming out in a dressing gown. Again, a rare sight, which I have seen only Shivaji Ganesan or somebody coming in movies in gowns, Thereafter, I saw it, of course, in the defense. But the way you carried yourself, you were never without any tops or vest or something or a gown. And you used to have fresh milk, boiled milk, and you used to always offer me one small cup of glass of milk. Notwithstanding that, sir, we learned a lot from you at that time. And thereafter, as the luck would have it, in 7th and 8th, we had you as our geography teacher. Initially, we knew you as an arts teacher. Even now, when I try to teach spray painting to my daughter, it's only you come to my mind, and I still vividly remember our arts notebook, the old brush what we used to do for spray painting, and this calligraphy what you used to teach us for cutting different shapes and these things. So in geography, again you never left any stone unturned. Even now, I remember one word, sir, I never came after that. You are teaching us a chapter on Antarctica and you taught us about kuril fish. Oh, it will be in a lot of schools of squirrel fish. I asked, sir, what do you do with the fish? You said you can make anything. You cook, you eat, you make a tinned fish, or you can make jam. And also you are talking about climatology and other things. You are talking about temperature and humidity. So you said the humidity there will be too low. I told, sir, for example, inside the fridge. I told, sir, but if you keep a biscuit in the fridge, it will become soggy because it is cold. You said, no, Ramesh. The temperature and humidity, they are different issues. You can have low humidity and low temperature. And believe me, sir, even now, whenever I keep a used packet of biscuit, half of the biscuits or whatever it is, in the fridge, always this comes to my mind. Especially in a place like Chennai, I keep it outside, it becomes soggy, so I keep it in the fridge. And also when I read about, cold conditions and low humidity ratios, all those things in aviation, again it reminds you of you. You took even Hindi for higher Hindi guys, I was not there. And a lot of things, sir. It's not only your teachings were restricted to the textbooks or any classes which you are entitled. You took our meditation class, the first time in my life where I was introduced to meditation, rightly by you. You said meditation is nothing but control of your mind or taming of your mind, avoiding unnecessary thoughts creeping into your mind, and trying to become thoughtless and motionless and sit. You even told us, close your eyes. Try to imagine sea waves coming and going. Try to imagine something which is repetitive without any other thoughts disturbing your mind. I'm sure if somebody can master it, there is nothing more to things like meditation. You taught us very small techniques in life. For example, you used to say, whenever you want to get up early in the morning, just keep a 25 paise or 50 paise coin under your pillow, bang it 3 times, tell that I want to get up at 5 o'clock, and then go off to sleep. Don't think of anything else. And to our astonishment, a lot of my classmates, including me, we have tested it and it worked. Probably this is the technique our grandparents used to use in the villages when we tell them, Grandpa, please wake me up at 4 o'clock. I have to undertake a travel, or I have to go to school today. Wake me up at 5 o'clock. Those people without any alarm clock, they woke us up at the right time. And one more thing, whenever I get hiccups, maybe because of eating mirchi or whatever it is, first time it happened, I went on vacation in 6th standard half-yearly vacation, I think. I was having my food, typical village setup. My mother was serving in front of me. I got hiccups. My mother told immediately, come on, drink water. I told her, no, wait. My teacher has taught me a technique. I went, washed my hands. I came, I sat. I took a long breath. I closed my nose, closed my ears, kept that long breath in my chest and touched my chin to my chest and held it for the maximum possible time. I repeated once more and the hiccups are gone. My mother could not believe, and I have taught this technique to my children, rightly taking your name because you have the patent for this. It works. You had a lot of skills, sir. You used to catch snake, and I have witnessed you running behind a fully grown land monitor. Just you stamped on its tail and you caught it in front of me. It's a very big one. Whereas in village people used to be afraid. You did that. And any cultural activity, you are part of it. Any cultural activity in the school, any fillers they want, any decoration they want, how to decorate, all those things, you are always there. For instance, I still remember there was a cultural activity. In the night time, there was a booth kind of a setup. He told, Ramesh, the light should go off. There should be one wire through which one bat comes. We'll play the sound of a bat. And as the scene unfolds, now we see blood in the throat of a guy. Things like that. There was no limit to your innovation, sir. And in one of the exhibitions, I again remember there was a glass box. There was a wheat flour kind of a thing in it. And 3 0-watt bulbs of 3 different color with their holders facing upwards and the bulbs are glowing. I still couldn't believe her. How can it be? From where did he take the wire? What magic did he do? All those things. And later on you explained how you went about doing it. And even as recently now, during the lockdown, you had sent a small video as to how to protect your food materials by hanging on a line with a cup filled with the water, and how to control ants from creeping into your food materials. So I think your mind is always at work. Not only this, sir, when you were in school, initially you joined as a bachelor and later on you went on to get married. And just before your marriage, you bought 2 cycles. I told, sir, what's the thing? Like, we are all like your very pets. So we used to keep discussing. You said, Ramesh, tomorrow if I marry, my wife may be outdoor person. When I go to school, she may pick up the bike. She can go towards cycling to Modalapannai. She can go to, park, the dam, and she can come back. So in those ages, I was really surprised. The kind of freedom you thought about between spouses, the kind of how to live a life like friends, And even now when I visit your home, ma'am offers me a cup of tea, and the way she interacts with you, the way she, pulls your legs, I really admire, sir. You people have been living as friends, And you also at times throw one-liners. Like recently I was asking you, sir, should I put my son in Sainik school? I'm a little worried about the hostel life, how he'll cope up. You are telling Ramesh, hostel life is nothing but a hostile life. One has to get used to it. On the same day, you used 3-4 more liners I couldn't recollect. So there was something which we always felt in you, sir. You had a passion in life. Whatever you do, catching a udumbu or teaching us meditation, teaching us geography, teaching us arts, or preparing for the any cultural program, you are the man Friday which a school could bank on you, and all jobs you took very willingly and very smilingly, and you are a man of perfection. You had a passion for perfection, and that is the birthplace of your innovation, and that is what is keeping you going, sir. And one more thing from my memories, sir. 2018 December, I left Air Force, and before we Air Force, we are called to check all our documents. When I flipped through the documents, I saw my photograph which you took in the year 1994 when I went for my medical checkup. And that time I was from a very humble background, little short on money. We had an option to go to Udmalpet and take our pictures whenever we are going for SSB or medicals. But you told Ramesh, don't worry, we'll do it in the photo club. So you took my photo, you developed in the photo club, and you gave me my photos when I went for my medicals. And I saw it when I left Air Force after almost 25 years. Sir. So these are the sweet memories. How affectionate you were to us. You always treated us as our children. That's what even now when I feel. Like you have done human service to the school, to the students. We all fondly remember you. There was no barrier for you what to teach, what to take, because you are handling each and everything. You even designed the formation sign for the Sainik Civil Society. But in spite of that, I am surprised these efforts were not recognized the way it should have been. But one thing I can tell you, sir, having seen the armed forces, the best recognition for a commander, in your case, the teacher, is when our subordinates, when our students look back to us, they remind us, they remember us, they call us with fond memories. That is the greatest pleasure, that is the greatest commendation anybody can get. And I can assure you, we are all as good as your children, sir. You count on us not only now, till you are there, until we are there. So with these words, I really feel sad that because of Corona, we are not able to make it to school. Otherwise, even if I was on a flying schedule, I wanted to take a sick report and reach to Amaravati Nagar and be a part of the farewell party, sir. But nonetheless, my wishes comes with the same enthusiasm, and probably after Corona settles down, we all will try to have a get-together, a nice get-together in the lovely house which you are setting up in Udumapet. And all the very best for you, for ma'am, and excellent, peaceful, happy retired life, and for the children, for them to do well in their lives, sir. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning. It is a privilege and honor to speak about my beloved teacher and mentor, Mr. M.G. Puranakumar sir. I will be always grateful to all my teachers who have played important role in grooming me to face the world. When I say school, it is not just its infrastructure or curriculum. It is the teachers who took special interest and treated the student as their own. Mr. M.G. Puranakumar has played an important role in grooming me. I was a lost bencher, shy, introvert. Mr. M.G. P. Sir has identified my painting skills and encouraged me to participate in various painting competitions and made me to win numerous awards by coaching me. Even in his personal time, his words of encouragement and motivation had helped me immensely to take various challenges. I always admired NGP sir for his multifarious skill. He is a versatile person, a good artist, musician, a yoga teacher. He even introduced photography and taught us various aspects of photography. MGP sir was way ahead of his time in terms of technical knowledge. Even today, he shares with me a lot of technical bits and knowledge on new gadgets. I am very happy to know that Science School Society flag designed by MGP sir was approved by MOD and it is being used widely in all science schools. It is a great achievement for our school and an additional feather on his cap. Few years back, MGP sir projected requirement for providing sea exposure to our school boys. During the interaction, I found that his passion has not reduced even today to provide the best opportunities for the cadets in shaping their career. He persuaded me to get necessary approval to embark our schoolboys on board Coast Guard ships despite various challenges. I have benefited immensely and express my heartfelt gratitude for his invaluable contribution towards transferring me from an average student to become a senior officer in the Indian Coast Guard. MGP sir may retire from school, but I am very confident he will not retire as teacher and will continue to contribute as mentor the unprivileged children in his own ways. I pray to God to give him enough strength and health for his all future endeavors. Sir, I wish you a happy retirement life.
Sir, when I go back the memory lane, there are so many things that are associated with you, and in case if I start narrating incident after incident, for the time that I spent in Science School, about 7 years, and the association that I had with you, probably minute will not be enough, but probably I have to keep speaking the whole day. Indeed, to be honest, sir, life in Science School, yes, it was very difficult. It was educative, but however, you were that one person who always gave the life and the spark that was needed in any child. Being the art master, we always looked up to you, sir. Believe you in me, we always looked up to your classes. It was fun filled, and there was always something new that could always learn. Be it origami, be it the painting classes, be it the art classes, whatever we had. And most importantly, sir, you were our housemaster, and the association that we had was phenomenal and awesome. And that apart, the most important thing that I picked up from you is values. Come what may, not to compromise with the values is what I picked up from you. And to this day, if I'm holding good, that is something because of what I picked up from you, sir. Thank you so much for it, sir. And as everything comes to an end, it is really, really overwhelming and different feeling that I have when I come to know that you are retiring, sir. My sincerest thanks for all that you have done for us, and I vouch that I will continue to do well, and that is the biggest tribute that I can give it to you, sir. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And as and when possible, sir, definitely we will catch up. All the best for your retired life, sir. And thank you so much for whatever you had been and you have done for us. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Mr. MGP Raja. I understand that you're going to retire soon from the Sainik School in Amaravati, where I spent 2 years, something like 50 odd years ago. You and I met in October 2019 when I visited the school with my son Adrian and Jim White. And in fact, I've got a photograph somewhere of you and I standing side by side with your wonderful design for the Sainik School Society badge, which I believe you designed. Anyway, our trip to South India was very, very enjoyable, and it was nice to meet you. Now, those boys at the school, many of them are going to go into the armed forces, but I've always thought how important it was when I was there, and I'm sure it's true today, that they get something other than academic and military instruction at the school. And someone like you is very important with your teaching of art and design and running clubs. I understand that you ran the photography club and the yoga club, and also did a lot of music. So I'm delighted that the boys will have benefited from your interests, and I wish you all the best in your retirement. As you have so many interests, I'm sure you won't get bored in your retirement. And of course, I expect from time to time former pupils may get in touch with you. I certainly hope so. I've enjoyed being contacted from time to time by boys from the Sainik School, and I thought I would just wish you all the best for your retirement, and hope to hear more in due course, and maybe one day we'll meet again when I have the chance to come to Amaravati once more. Goodbye for now.
Sainik School 85 86 எனக்கு சரியாக ஞாபகம் இல்லை சார். ஒரு தடவை ஸ்கூல்லேருந்து நாங்கள் கிராஸ் பண்ணி மெஸ்ஸுக்கு போயிட்டுருந்தோம். அப்போ திடீர்னு ஒரு வீட்டில் இருந்து இளையராஜா சாங்ஸ் அப்படி கேட்டுட்டு இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ நாங்கள் அப்படியே பஞ்சாக போயிட்டுருந்தோம். மேபி 7th or 8th படிப்போம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நின்று அப்படியே, ஏன்னா அப்போ இளையராஜா சாரோட மிகப்பெரிய ஃபேன்ஸ் எல்லாருமே, அவ்வளோ கிளாரிட்டியாக ஒரு சவுண்ட் சிஸ்டமில் கேட்டுட்டு இருந்துச்சு. திரும்பி பார்த்தா நீங்கள் உட்காந்து ஏதோ ஒரு செட்டில் ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணிகிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. ஸோ எல்லோரும் நின்று அந்த சாங்கை ஃபுல்லாக கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தோம். ஒரு க்யூரியாசிட்டியில் வந்து பேச ஆரம்பித்தோம் உங்ககிட்ட. இந்த மாதிரி, என்ன சார் இவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்குது செட்டு அப்படின்னோடனே, இல்லை நானே அசம்பிள் பண்ணது, சென்னையிலேருந்து ரிச்சி ஸ்ட்ரீட்டில் வாங்கி நானே அசம்பிள் பண்ணது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தடவை உங்களை நான் அன்றைக்கி மீட் பண்ண நல்ல ஞாபகம் இருக்குது சார். எம்ஜிபி அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னாங்க எங்களோட. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆர்ட்ஸ் நீங்கள் எங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தீங்க. எத்தனையோ மெமரிஸ். எல்லா ஃபங்க்ஷன்லையும் நான் டான்ஸ் ஆடுவேன். அப்போல்லாம் எனக்கு நல்ல ஞாபகம் இருக்குது. ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனில் வந்து நீங்கள் ஒரு 5 to 6 feet ஒரு கட் அவுட் மாதிரி பயங்கரமாக ஒரு மைக்கேல் ஜாக்சன் மாதிரி வரைஞ்சி என்னோடய ப்ரோக்ராமுக்கு வச்சிங்க. பிரின்ஸிபல்லாம் பயங்கரமாக பாராட்டினார். அப்போது எனக்கு நல்ல ஞாபகம் இருக்குது. ஒரு கைடாக, ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்டாக, லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் மெமரி சார். இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தா நீங்கள் ரிட்டையர் ஆகிறீங்கன்னு உங்கள் டாக்டர் வந்து மெசேஜ் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. ஸோ லைஃப் ஃப்ளைஸ். கிரேட் சார். Lots of memories. Thank you very much for whatever you have done in my life. அது எப்பயுமே என்னோடய இருக்கும் அந்த மெமரிஸ் எல்லாம். Have a great and amazing retirement life, sir. Take care.
Hello MGP sir, very good evening to you. It's in fact a very very proud moment, and I'm really grateful to one of the greatest teachers who have actually molded me, not only to join the service but also to take on a lot of hobbies. In fact, when I was in the 6th standard, it was you who had encouraged and taught us to learn yoga, and it is because of you today, even till this date, I am practicing yoga and also teaching yoga to a lot of people. And you name a thing, you are a man of many hats. And as school children, we all looked up to you on so many things. You were such an inspiration, and you were so talented that we wanted to emulate you. And today is a moment where, after your glorious teaching era, you are retiring, and I know even everyone needs rest, and so do you. And it is my humble prayer, and I wish you all the very best for a happy retired life. And from the bottom of my heart, I thank you for having molded, guided, and taught us how to be successful in life. And today we are very proud that we had a teacher like you. and I am very sure all the batches who have passed out till date would have surely got a lot of inspiration, motivation, and a personal demonstration and example from you. Love you, sir. You take care, and God bless.
ஹலோ எம்ஜிபி சார், வினித்ரா நீங்கள் ரிட்டையர் ஆகும்போது எனக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணும்போது என்னால் நம்பவே முடியல. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் டைம் ஓட்டினதே தெரில. மேலேருந்து உங்களை பார்த்தா இன்னும் நான் எப்படி உங்களை நான் ஸ்கூல் ஜாயின் பண்ண போது பார்த்தனோ 1996, இன்னும் நீங்கள் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கீங்க. சார் நான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் 1997 உங்ககிட்ட அந்த லயன் கிங் எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்தது காம்படிஷன்லாம் போய் ஜெயிக்கணும் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் எந்த நோக்கம் இல்லை. ஐ ஜஸ்ட் வாண்டட் டு ஜாயின் தி ஆர்ட்ஸ் கிளப். உங்கள் கிட்டேருந்து கற்றுக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டேன். ஆனால் நீங்கள் அங்கேருந்தே நீ எங்கேயோ கொண்டு போயிட்டீங்க. இட்ஸ் பீன் அ ரியலி ப்ளஷர் அண்ட் அ ஆனர் டு ஹேவ் பீன் அசோசியேட்டட் வித் யூ. எனக்கு இப்போதைக்கு ஆர்ட்ஸில் கற்றுக் கொடுத்ததுலாம் எல்லாமே நீங்கள் தான். அது இல்லாமல் லைஃப்லேயும் எக்கச்சக்கமாக கற்றுக் கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. You are one of the best examples of Science School teacher who is not only teaches you the subjects but also life along with everything else. So throughout my school life நான் உங்களை எப்பயுமே சும்மா இருந்து பார்த்ததே கிடையாது. அதனால் நீங்கள் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட்டில் போய் எப்படி சும்மா இருக்க போகிறீங்கன்னு எனக்கு இன்னும் தெரியாது. அண்ட் ஐ எம் ஷூர் யூ ஆர் கோனா டூ சம்திங் அண்ட் யூ ஆர் கோனா டூ சம்திங் கிரேட். And from my behalf I can just wish you that you have a very peaceful and a successful retirement life. So all the best, sir.
Sir, very good morning to you, and came to know of your retirement. It has been a life in which we have always looked up to you. Whatever you have taught us, whatever you have explained to us, you led by your personal example. Being an arts teacher, you have found in each and every walk of a cadet's life. Thousands of us have taken inspiration from you. Memories what we had in our school have been framed, and still even now we can go and have a look at it thanks to your continuous efforts all these years. Now as you come to your retirement, all these years you have spent trying to make every cadet's life better, teach him skills that he will use always in his life. And now I wish in your post-retirement you take out time for yourself, for those little things what you wanted to do but could never do because we were there right in front of you, requiring all your attention and effort. Sir, do you remember I was in class 11, you were the housemaster of Chola Juniors. We had the variety entertainment competition coming up and there was huge competition. We even built up a stairs and we were depicting the birth of Jesus. The sound effect which your idea was there to use a basic tin sheet was amazing. It could beat even the GTS today. And incidentally, we got the maximum in the opening scene and we won the trophy as well. We have many such instances when you are the housemaster and you used your multifaceted capability and guided us in every field. We got stuck once with a power failure. You took over that and you could rectify the entire power supply of our auditorium. So I hope you get time more to tinker with lot many more things and guide a lot more students even while you are on retirement. Thanks for all the time, thanks for all the guidance, and I wish you have a wonderful retired life with the blessings of thousands of students like me. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello MGB sir, this is your Naresh. So I was lucky enough to meet you before you retired a few months ago, but retire ஆகுறீங்கன்னு தெரியுது. You had a great tenure in Sainik School. I've spent many days with you in your house in Chola House, setting up a fish tank, doing a lot of trouble, and you've made sure that you saved me from everything. We've had our differences as well as you know, the similar thoughts that we could have over the years. We did grow pretty quite close as a family too, and you were graciously inviting me into your house whenever possible. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for me, for the school, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hello sir, நான் அமர்த்ராஜ். நான் 2009 பேட்ச் பாண்டி ஹவுஸ். I'm so happy to know that you are completing your tenure at Sainik School Amaravati Nagar and you are retiring after your illustrious tenure in the school, sir. I'm so glad that I am a student of yours and you have always been the favorite teacher of every school, every child in the school, and most probably and preferably you are a favorite teacher to mine for sure. Because I have inclination towards art now. Art club in Serla. Analo, you are the art teacher. Every student loves art and you are always there to support them and motivate them. நீங்கள் ஒரு ஃபியூ எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் சொல்லணும்னா நீங்கள் சைனிக் ஸ்கூலில் நாங்கள் படிக்கும்போது எந்த ஹவுஸ்க்கு ஒரு ஹவுஸ் டே வந்தாலும் யுவர் ஆர்ட் ரூம் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் ஓப்பன் ஃபார் அஸ். எவ்ரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கேன் வாக் இன் அண்ட் டேக் வாட் எவர் ஃப்ரம் யூ அண்ட் யூ ஆல்வேஸ் தேர் டு ஹெல்ப் வித் broad mind and a big heart. And இன்னொரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லணும்னா சார், ஏதோ ஹவுஸ் டே பாண்டியவர்ஸ் டேல உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து ஒரு மைக் வாங்கிட்டு போனோம் சார். விழுத்தரா அப்போ ஏதோ சூப்பர் சிங்கர்லாம் பாடிட்டு இருந்தப்போ நீங்க மைக் வாங்கி வச்சிருந்தீங்க. ஸோ அப்போ நான் ஒரு ஸ்கிட் பண்ணோம். அப்போ ஒரு மைக் தேவைப்பட்டுச்சு உங்ககிட்ட வாங்கணும். ஸோ அந்த மைக் வச்சு நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கும் போது ஒரு ஆக்டிங்ல ஐ ஹவ் டு ஃபால் டவுன், ஷூட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஸோ நான் உலகம் அந்த மைக்கும் சேர்த்து கீழே விழுந்து உடச்சிட்டேன். ஸோ ஆனாலும் நீங்க ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்லலை. அந்த டைம்ல எவ்வளவு காஸ்ட்லியான மைக்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. பட் யூ ஆர் வெரி பிக் ஹார்ட்டட் மேன். அப்போ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. நான் அப்புறம் கண்டு படாம ஒளிஞ்சு ஓடிட்டு இருந்தேன். பட் this is a few two examples which I can quote. Otherwise, I'm so glad, sir, and to bring my talk in a very small sentence, which I have to say, you are a student's teacher, just like Abdul Kalam was people's president. Every student loved you, and you are a student's teacher, sir. Wish you all the very best, and congratulations for your successful tenure in the school. And idikapro unga time unga life la you keep motivating like everybody, just like what you have been doing. And I'm so glad and proud to be a student, sir. Thank you very much.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Ramesh Kumar, working at Royal Care Hospital. I passed my 12th standard in 1994. MGP sir joined our school when I was 7th standard as a school teacher. As a student, my interaction has been very minimal with him. However, his long gelled, stylish hair was the talk of the town in those times. I came to know him very closely from 2013 when I happened to operate his right shoulder. Initially, when I met him in the hospital, he was very worried if he would be able to recover well and do his favorite martial art, Nunchaku, and also his passionate drawing. Once operated, he was very confident. He did his exercise very diligently and he was back to his best quickly. And he also even sent a video of his martial art in I think in six months' time. It was very impressive. I was very happy to have him as my patient. And his gratitude knows no bound. I think I'm here to come across a patient who shows so much gratitude for our work. Thank you, sir. Personally, as a human, he is very enthusiastic, innocent, I would say, considerate and loving to people all around him. I wish him a very happy and peaceful life. God bless you and your family, sir. Thank you.
Dear friends, today I am privileged to speak few words about my dearest friend, Mr. Puran Kumar Raja. He is a very good humanitarian, approachable, very good teacher. He has a multi-talented personality. He was holding the housemaster appointments for many more years. He was very efficient person to organize educational tours. I personally experienced when I have been accompanied for many tours. He has designed our society emblem. So what I personally feel he deserved to get the Best Teacher Award. And he has conducted many in-service training and he has been appointed as an in-service resource person. Why I am telling he is a man of multi-talented personality, he has been associated with the photography club for many years. He's a good bandmaster. He's a guitarist. Above all, he sings flute very well. He handles very well, and he is very popular in play one very notable, known Hindi song. I would like to share a very important incident happened in my life. I have joined as computer master in Sainik School Amravati in the year 1993 August. Immediately joined in the school, I have been asked to attend NCC in-service training at the Comti, Nagpur. In the meanwhile, I brought my family. We have settled in Amravati Nagar, but I have been given accommodation in the dead end of Amravati Nagar, where Mr. MGP was my neighbor. I just went Comti. It's not even a week. Suddenly my son, he was 5 years old, Hari Thirumal, got heavy fever. It was midnight. My wife was totally helpless. She was unable to call anyone, but she managed to call. It was rainy. It was a very rainy season. It was heavy rain also. She called Mr. MGP for help. He has not hesitated. Immediately he took my son to our MI room. He was treated by our so-called TPS, Subramaniam. Even after a week, he took lot of pain. Took him to MI room, and finally my son was treated well. So this incident created a very close intimacy between my family and Mr. MGP family. Mr. MGP is a very, very good person, kind-hearted person. He is of in helping nature. He is retiring in the month of May 2021. He is a great asset to the school. Though he is retiring, he will be still in our heart. I feel happy that he will be shifting his residence to Chennai. On behalf of my family and myself, I wish him a very, very happy tenure. Thank you so much.
ஹலோ சார், நல்லா இருக்கீங்கன்னு நம்புகிறேன். நான் மகேஷ், 99 பேட்ச். உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். சயின்ஸ் ஸ்கூலில் இருந்து நான் நிறைய படித்தேன்னு இல்லை, நம்ம ஆர்ட்ஸ் கிளப்பு, ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி கிளப்பில் நிறைய டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். உங்கள் கூட இன்ஃபேக்ட் நிறைய டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். பல காம்படிஷன்ஸ் கலந்துருக்கோம். கோயம்புத்தூர் கூட்டம் போயிருக்கீங்க. நம்ம உடுமைப்பேட்டை ராட்ரி கிளப்பு, லயன்ஸ் கிளப்பு, நிறைய பெயிண்டிங் காம்படிஷன்ஸ்லாம் போயிட்டு கலந்து நல்ல ப்ரைஸ் வாங்கியிருக்கேன். ஸோ எல்லா டைமும் உங்களை ஒரு பெரிய இன்ஸ்பிரேஷனாக தான் நான் பார்த்துருக்கேன். நீங்கள் என்னை டேக் கேர் பண்ண விதம் என்றைக்குமே மூஞ்சி காட்டினதில்லை. ரொம்ப அஃபெக்ஷனேட்டாக நல்லா ட்ரீட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. உங்களுக்கு அவ்வளோ டேலண்ட் இருக்குது. லைக் யோகா பண்ணுவீங்க, கராத்தே பண்ணுவீங்க, பெயிண்டிங் பண்ணுவீங்க, ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி பண்ணுவீங்க. பல ஞாபகங்கள் இருக்குது சார். நான் இன்றைக்கும் பெயிண்டிங் பண்ணும்போதெல்லாம் டெஃபினட்டாக எப்போயாவது ஒரு தடவை உங்களை கண்டிப்பாக யோசித்து பார்த்துருக்கேன். உங்களோட ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் ஏஜ், ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் பீரியடில் நீங்கள் நல்லா அனுபவிக்கணும். உங்கள் ஃபேமிலியோட நிறைய டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணணும். உங்களுக்கு நல்ல உடல்நிலையும் ஆரோக்கியத்தையும் கடவுள் கொடுக்கணும்னு வேண்டிக்கிறேன். பெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் லக் சார். ஸ்டே ஹாப்பி. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். உங்கள் டாக்டருக்கு கண்டிப்பாக நான் தேங்க்யூ சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா இந்த சான்ஸ் அவங்க எனக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இன்ஃபேக்ட் அவங்க எப்படி என்னை எப்படி எனக்கு பிடிச்சான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. நான் யார்கிட்டையும் காண்டாக்டில் இருந்ததில்லை. பட் somehow she has reached out to me and ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Hello Puran sir, very happy to share my message to you. I remember the days when we used to be there in the arts class, and you have always been a very energetic person who encouraged us to be creative. Especially I remember the days when I was also part of the photography club where you taught us how to take photos and how to develop the films which we used to use on those days. My best wishes to you, and have a happy retirement life, and hope to meet you sometime. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sanjay from 2013 pass out batch. MGP sir has always been a very good mentor to all of us. He is actually an all-rounder. He is a very good yoga practitioner. He has sound knowledge in many of the fields. We cannot, sometimes we don't know what all he doesn't know. Many times he is actually interested in other fields like arts, craft, singing, music. He is very good instrument player. He actually cares about everyone around him. He is also into Ayurveda, Siddha and alternative medicines. He is actually a good human being. I'm actually so proud to be his student. Thank you, sir. You always are in our hearts. Thank you.
Hi sir, this is Praveen Kumravel from 2009 batch. So in my mind you're still young and energetic from the last time I saw you, and I don't think you have to retire, but you are retiring. So sir, I congratulate you on your retirement, and I hope you find immense happiness in your retired stage of life. So to tell about you, you are a really inspiring person. So you used to teach us from many subjects like arts and then social science, and you used to play the guitar, you used to play the flute. I think you were a really good singer also. So you are really an inspiration and a mentor to me, and it was because of you my school life was much easier. So thank you for being such a wonderful nice teacher who has always been very friendly and approachable, and I still wish that you should still keep on teaching and groom a lot of other students. So thank you.
Hi sir, good evening. And now sir, I'm Akash, 2016 passed out, Palla House. So first of all, thank you for the wonderful service you have done to our school and also to the nation, sir. Like you have transformed us. Adana solla varumren. Don't think sir idella scripted, but I speak from my heart. Really நான் உங்ககிட்ட நிறைய வாட்டி இது உங்ககிட்ட நேரில் வந்து சொல்லணும்னு இருந்தேன். Very big thank you sir, because I have a very good, என்ன சொல்றது, I think you remember me sir. 2012 வந்து I was your house captain, like we were in Feed Rose, Vallo Rose. So I was your Feed Rose CKM. So I think so that year it was my major year in my year, என்னோட லைஃப்லேயே வந்து முக்கியமான வருஷம், because you know sir what are these things would happen, but you were there for me. நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நடந்துச்சு, and you stood by me and you helped me a lot to overcome that, and Salapana, you transformed me in that situation sir, because I was there, I faced struggles, obstacles, but you helped me a lot. பசங்களை எப்படி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும், எப்படி பார்க்கணும், எப்படி ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும், எப்படி யூ ஷுட் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் யுவர் செல்ஃப்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தீங்க. ஸோ தேங்க் யூ லாட், அண்ட் ஐ பிக் சல்யூட் டு யூ சார் ஃபார் தி வண்டர்ஃபுல் சர்வீஸ் யூ ஹவ் டன் டு தி நேஷன். அண்ட் ஒன் திங், உங்கள்கிட்ட இருந்து என்ன நான் மெயினாக கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்னா, யூ மேட் மீ டு லிவ் த்ரூ தி ஆர்ட் சார், லிவ் த்ரூ தி ஆர்ட். எஸ், டெஃபினெட்லி. and your patience. One thing I want to make you clear is your patience and love your music, sir. So in the culture, singing music, I just listen to it. But the most important memory I share with you is the 2012 when I was your house captain and you helped me a lot during this struggle, sir. Thank you so much. In the school, but this has given me the thing. So I wish you very best, all the best for the second innings you are going to play, sir. So definitely I think so, because I was in your social science classes also. Like you used to say, the googly club, ball this googly is something like this, you have to bowl. And of course during the history classes, you used to say about the kukri, I remember, about your grandfather, great grandfather, sir, the greatest man, MC Raja. So I remember this, everything, sir, everything, whatever happened, right from 2009 to 2016, especially 2012, where you stood with me like a pillar, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind. And all the best for your second innings, sir. Thank you. And I hope that soon I will meet you, sir. So, thank you.
Hi, sir. It really feels very great to travel back the memory lane to collect several situations that were really close to heart. And it was in class 4, I guess, I joined the music class where it was the first time you tried to explain music to me by playing flute. That was really amusing. And you played tabla. I have seen that in several staff club dinners. And I had an opportunity to work with you in the photography club and art club where we had a device to cut the thermocol that was designed by you. And you always had time to share so many things with us, be it stories, be it the values for life, be it on health. You always had so much of knowledge transfer that you gave to us. And we had several family get-togethers where I remember your ghost stories and many other things which you had shared with us. I was always amused to see a person who had so much of knowledge on different fields, and I couldn't imagine any field that you had never touched. And as an art master, I remember the class where you showed us the pencil sketching, the carbon sketching, and I still regret that we didn't learn much of your techniques or your so I can never find such a brilliant example for the connotation jack of all trades you had always been, and you still remain to be. Always keep up the good work and wish you a happy retired life. My sincere prayers and wishes for a wonderful retired life. Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir. It's wonderful to be a part of this. I'm Vignesh. I hope you remember me. I was in the batch 2005 to 2013. Till I was there in Chinese school till 10th standard, and I was part of your club. You have been someone who has been always inspirational, and it was wonderful working with you. Till the time I was there, and even in recent times we used to have conversations about you, me and Santosh as of the same batch. We used to have conversations. It's been you have been always an inspiration, and I'm sure you'll always be one. And all the very best, and keep rocking. I hope the retirement, even after the retirement, your life is as wonderful and rocking as always. All the best, sir.
Hi, this is Jasmit Triya from 2011 batch Chinese School Amravati Nagar. So I would say that I am really blessed that I had been one of the students of MG Puran Kumar Raja sir. With respect and with love, we used to call him MGP sir. He is one of a true gem. I mean, we have learned a lot of good qualities from him. Main being as in, like, how to be focused, how to be determined even in tough situations, and how to keep focus on our goals. He is one of the teachers who had a great creative minds, and he used to do all he could to improve his students. We have seen it in our 7 years in the school. I wish MGP sir a very peaceful and happy post-retirement life. Thank you so much, sir. You have taught a lot of students and you have shown the way for them to improve and do something good in their life. Thank you very much for that. Wherever you are, sir, be happy, be safe, keep smiling, and God bless you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, Puran. You are retiring today. First of all, I wish you a very healthy, happy, spiritual and prosperous life after retirement. Today, I am also celebrating our 41 years old friendship. You have been very honest with others. You are always loyal to the people. You always care about them, and you are easily able to trust others. You had been a very warm personality. You are so friendly whenever people meet you. You had been very friendly, I remember, during our school days. Last time when you visited Bangalore, you made not only me but my family absolutely delighted when they met you at Bangalore. I love your polite smile. You always smile very politely. I admire your skills, and you had been art teacher for me also. I will admire you always, and you have been a teacher, philosopher and a guide to me. Okay, bye bye.
ஹாய் சார், எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ஸோ இட்ஸ் பீன் அ வெரி லாங் ஜேர்னி சார். நம்ம நிறையா பேசியிருக்கோம். அண்ட் சில விஷயங்கள் சொல்லணுன்னா வே பேக் 2003 சொல்லணும். பிகாஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கிளாஸ் மாஸ்டர் நீங்கள். அண்ட் நிறைய அனெக்டோட்ஸ், நிறைய கதை உங்கள் தாத்தாவை பற்றி, அண்ட் நிறைய ஆர்ட் ஒர்க்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த கேப்பு செய்கிறதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் நிறைய நம்ம இது பண்ணியிருக்கோம், கிளாஸில் சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க. அண்ட் அது இல்லாமல் நிறைய இது பண்ணியிருக்கோம். மெயினாக உங்களோட ஒர்க் இந்த இன்சிக்னியா. ஸோ ஆப்வியஸ்லி எஸ், அது உங்களோட ஒர்க். அது என்றைக்கு இருந்தாலும் உங்களோட ஒர்க்கு அப்படியே இருக்கும். அண்ட் தட் வில் பி ரிமெம்பர்ட் எவ்ரி டைம் சைனிக் ஸ்கூல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வியர்ஸ் தி பேட்ச். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி அது ஒரு முக்கியமான விஷயம். அண்ட் இட் இஸ் அ ப்ரைட் ஃபார் ஸ்கூல் ஆல்சோ. நிறைய ஸ்கூல்ஸ் இது பண்ணி அண்ட் உங்களோட இன்சிக்னியா செலக்ட் ஆகிருக்கு, இது பண்ணியிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம். அண்ட் நிறைய பேசியிருக்கோம், நடுவில் நிறைய ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், பேசியிருக்கோம். அண்ட் ஐம் சாரி சார், ஆக்சுவலி என்னால் வர முடியல. நடுவில் 2 டைம் வந்தேன், என்னால் ஸ்கூலுக்கு கூட வர முடியல. ஐ குடன்ட் ட்ராப் இன். ஸோ நிறைய ரீசன்ஸ் இருக்குது. நான் கோயம்புத்தூர் வந்து உடம்புல வரைக்கும்லாம் வந்தேன், பட் நான் என்னால் வர முடியல. ஸோ there are a lot of reasons. அதனால் அண்ட் நடுவில் கூட ட்ரை பண்ணேன், பட் கொஞ்சம் ஃபேமிலி சுச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் அதனால் இது பண்ண முடியல. நோ ப்ராப்ளம். எனிவேஸ், இப்போ ப்ராப்ளி யுவர் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட். அண்ட் ஐ கெஸ் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட்டாக இல்லாமல் யூ வில் ஹேவ் சம்திங் ப்ரொடக்டிவ் ஆல்சோ. ஏற்கனவே யோசிச்சு வச்சுருப்பீங்க, ப்ரொடக்டிவாக என்ன பண்ணலாம், என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறதெல்லாம் ஏற்கனவே யோசிச்சு வச்சுருப்பீங்க இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் யுவர் ஆர்ட், கிராஃப்ட் அண்ட் எவ்ரி திங். அண்ட் அதை ப்ரொசீட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ப்ராப்ளி ஐம் விஷிங் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் சார். மேபி ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது ஜஸ்ட் அ வேர்ட், அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தி ஏஜ் அண்ட் சீனியாரிட்டி ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் எவ்ரி திங். பட் நம்ம மைண்டுக்கும் ஹார்ட்டுக்கும் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது இட் இஸ் அ ஒன் டைம் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட், அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ இட் இஸ் நாட் சம்திங் ஓவர் இடக்கும் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் இல்லை. அண்ட் ஹோப்ஃபுல்லி யூ நெவர் ஹேவ் தட் பர்டிகுலர் திங் இன் யோர் மைண்ட், ரிட்டையர் ஆகிட்டோமே அப்படிங்கிறது. பிகாஸ் நான் பார்த்த வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஆக்டிவாகவே பார்த்துருக்கேன். இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி இதுலேருந்து எல்லாத்துலேயும் ஆக்டிவாகவே பார்த்துருக்கேன். ஸ்டில் நான் அந்த ஆக்டிவ்னஸ் உங்கள்கிட்ட பார்க்குறேன். வில் மீட் அப் சூன் சார். பார்ப்போம். நான் எல்லாமே திங்ஸ் செட்டில் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் வில் ட்ராப் இன் அண்ட் வில் கிவ் யூ கால் ப்ராப்ளி இன் சம் டைம் வித் சம் குட் நியூஸ் ஆக்சுவலி in terms of my career, in terms of my life and everything. ஸோ எல்லா மாஸ்டர்ஸுக்குமே நான் கால் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிற என்னோட இது இருக்குது. கூடி சீக்கிரம் மீட் பண்ணுவோம் சார். தேங்க்யூ அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் ஆல் யுவர் கைடன்ஸ் till today, and I expect this particular guidance to end of my life. Thank you so much sir. பாப்போம், கண்டிப்பாக மீட் பண்ணுவோம் சார்.
Hello sir, happy retired life. Hope you have a lot more fun in your retired life. So recalling one of the fond memories I have of you in Sainik School, one of the very first few classes in our 6th, you were a history teacher. So you saw something in the book and it said falcon. So you drew a falcon on board and the period got over. Then came Mr. EM. It was his period, and the best part was you taught him how to draw a falcon, sir. I hope he also remembers as much as I do, because it was one of the very fond, sweet and funny memories of you that I have. Thank you sir. I hope you have a great retired life.
Hello sir, this is Valli Manathan, roll number 2399, Chola House, 1993 batch. First of all, congratulations to you for having completed a very successful and long career with Sainik School, Amaravati Nagar. Sir, apart from your talent, obvious talent in painting, I remember your peculiar hairstyle when you joined. We were in 7th standard, and you had a very peculiar hairstyle. It's like fully combed back, which was set in the morning, which never used to change till the evening. And also you had this nunchuck. You were very good at karate, and we used to show us those skills as well. And the science exhibitions, you had all those exhibits with all I remember the one where the bulb used to glow from a glass panel. Glass obviously is a bad conductor of electricity, but we used to make the bulb glow with apparently no connection for electricity altogether. And one particular memory is that the first time I ever heard a Walkman was from you. You used to have a Sony Walkman in those days when you used to stay in Bharati House, and I was lucky enough to be your pet because I was good in arts, and I used to visit your room very often and listen to that Walkman. Thank you so much for all those memories, sir. I take this opportunity to wish you a very long and happy retired life. I'd like to show you something which I have been preserving for more than 25 years now. Sir, this is the state level Camden Arts Competition Award that I had won in 1988 under your able guidance, and this is the district level award that I got in 1989 in the following year. Both these awards are special to me, and these are solely because of your guidance and mentorship, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I also wish to thank you on behalf of all the students of Sainik School, Amaravati Nagar, that you have encouraged and kindled their artistic spirit for the last 30 years. Thank you so much, sir, and wish you all the very best.
So-called MGP. We joined together at Sainik School in 1987. We both came on the same day for interview and joined on the same day. And I completed 33 years service, and Mr. MGP has completed 34 years service. He's joined as art master, and he is a jack of all trades. He knows a lot of things. For example, even today I have that tape recorder what he assembled. He got all items from Udumalpet, and he used to do all these things, and a lot of things he knows. He knows karate and so on. These 33 years service, he was a nice friend to me, and we were actually roommates for 3 years. Neighbors. We were neighbors for many years, more than 10 years. And after that he got changed his quarters there somewhere, in Chinese school, and even now after retiring also I have some contact because he's both of us got some land nearby only at Udumalpet. That plots are very near, neighboring plots. Like that it continues, and his service was good, and a lot of things we can speak about him. Is somewhat innocent also, and a very helping tendency he has got. He used to help others, and we cannot forget all the days. He came for trekking also. Once he came for trekking. I'm a trekker. I used to go many times, and once he came to night overnight camp also. So I do remember very well about his activities and other things. Of course, he taught some Hindi also in our school since he was brought up in North India. I know his father. I haven't seen his mother, but father I had seen is a gentleman, retired military officer, and I know his sister. She's a dancer. When he introduced a Bharatanatyam dancer. Then I went to his house also, Chennai, Avadi, and his Mrs. is a very able lady, and she managed the whole family life very well. Actually, she is a Carnatic singer also, very good singer, and because of that gene, their children also are very good singers, and they both studied under us in the school. So I do remember everything, all the activities and everything we cannot tell here. So I wish him, Mr. MGP, and his family a happy retired life. I think he may settle down at Chennai. Presently, he is there in Udumalpet. So I wish him all the best. Thank you.
Good evening. Few things I want to talk about Mr. MGP Raja. First, I must congratulate Mr. Raja for completing your service as art master in the great institution Sainik School, Amravati Nagar. You are a great personality, having multiple talents, more than an art master. Boys loved your classes because you gave them enough freedom in exploring their interests, be it in art classes, stagecraft, photography, especially in the darkroom management. Today, nobody knows about the art of black and white photography. Many followed your footsteps. Bharat, Subhash, the expert photographers. And my best photo still is there in my Facebook account. It's taken by your camera only. Nothing surprises me. You are from a musical family. Wife, a Carnatic singer. Daughter and son, seems they are singing for albums nowadays. Your flute play, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है बंधन अनजाना, still mesmerizes me, and that is not easy joke. You play lead in the guitar comfortably in the king of all instruments. Mr. Chatfordin gave you a place in his band always whenever we played in the staff club programs. Your sister runs a dance class in Chennai, and you are from a family of unsung heroes of yesteryears. Will the Tamil language disappear in the world in the near future? No, not at all. கல் தோன்றி மண் தோன்றா காலத்தே முன் தோன்றிய தமிழ் will never disappear. In my first standard, my school teacher, Kamala madam, she taught me, Amma inge va va, Asai muttam ta ta. That was the song taught us alphabetics in Tamil. Ends no. ஐயமின்றி சொல்வேன் ஒற்றுமை என்றும் பலமாம் ஓதும் செயலே நலமாம் அவ்வை சொன்ன மொழியாம் அதே எனக்கு வழியாம். Not only this, நிலா நிலா ஓடிவா கைவீசம்மா கைவீசு. These songs were taught, no. The mothers, whenever they used to feed their babies, they used to sing these songs. These songs were as old as 70 to 80 years old, written by your grandpa, M.C. Raja, the great freedom fighter who fought for the downtrodden of this country. கொண்டாட தவறிய தலைவர்களில் இவரும் ஒருவர். Forgotten leader Mr. M.C. Raja, the leader of the Justice Party. I have seen his statue in Saidapet, Chennai, even before the serious statue culture in Tamil Nadu. What not, Mr. M.G. Puran Kumar Raja, you are a Samaritan, friend, philosopher, and above all, a kind-hearted human being. To all cadets, staff, employees, and the families, we all love you. At this time of retirement, I could see a boyish look in you, Mr. Markandeya. God bless you. A peaceful, wealthy, healthy, and a happy retired life. Thanks, Miss Vinitra, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Hello everybody. To tell about Mr. MGP, he has been a very good friend of mine all these years. I met him in 1998 when I came here on transfer. He's a very lovable person, talented person. You all know all these things. And after playing a very long innings, he is retiring on Monday, coming Monday, 31st May 2021. Retirement does not mean retiring, so I wish MGP explores the new fields which he longed to explore all these years. Now he has all time at his disposal, and I'm sure he keeps a very healthy routine, and he is happy, sound, both mentally and physically, and he keeps up good health in the coming years. Mr. MGP, I wish you all the best. Have a nice time. Goodbye.
Dear MGP sir, for the rest of you, this is Farshad Qaddafi from 2001 batch. Sir knows me very well. Sir, it's of an immense surprise that you are retiring at this young age. You look young, you talk young, you have been the youngest of the souls. You are so enthusiastic, not just a teacher, not just a housemaster. You have been our mentor. You've been our friend. That makes this bonding a really special one amongst the Moravians. No matter what, you have always stood by us. You have been there for us. That creates this warmth with you from the cadets. Sir, you have always been a one-stop shop for all of life's answers. You have taught us the essence of mind, body, and soul. You have been there for us, sir. That's all I can say. I wish all your family, your children, Vinitra and Karan, ma'am, and everyone around you a great life post SSA. We have passed out before you did. We welcome you to the outside world. Sir, you have us always in the brink of a phone call, a text. We'll always be there for you. Good luck, sir.